Guys, are you ready? Let's do this. Tiger Zord, Mastodon, Pterodactyl, Triceratops, Saber-tooth Tiger, Tyrannosaurus, Turtle Rangers. Hey, what's up everybody? What's up YouTube? What's up Ranger fans? This is Psycho White here, and today I would like to share with you with my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Morpher. Hey, what's up everybody? So here is my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Morpher, and this is 3D printed. As you can see, 3D printed, and this will goes well with the turtle, so they can morph into a turtle Power Ranger. So there it is. It won't hold them, but I put a sticky tack on it so it sticks to the hand right there. So can they morph? So that's how they hold it. So I printed it, each one of them, and the April Neil has the hardest hand to put it on, and so is Casey. And I also printed the gold morpher for the shredder as well. So there it is, also 3D printed. So yeah, so these will go well on it. And there you have it folks. This be it for me for today. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, give me some few comments what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.